Hi and welcome to OTrading. I'm Mark and today it's Friday the 6th of September 2019. Looking at the major cryptocurrency prices, we have Bitcoin sitting at $10,876, Ethereum at $176, Bitcoin Cash at $299, Monero at $79, Litecoin $67, Binance Coin at $22, EOS at $3.33, and Ripple at 25 cents. Moving on to the crypto news, we learn on CoinDesk that Binance is launching a stablecoin, the Binance USD stablecoin, and they got the blessing of the New York Department of Financial Services, the NYDFS. This got the approval yesterday, and they're partnering with Paxos Trust Company. This is a stable coin that they're going to be using on Binance and it will be backed at 1-for-1 with the American dollars. For now, they will be using it for pairs with Bitcoin, Binance Coin, and Ripples. Binance already have two other stable coins, one pair with the American dollars, the BTC, and one pair with the British pound, the BGBP. Paxos, the company that Binance chose to partner with, was the first company in the crypto space to receive the trust charter from the NYDFS back in 2015. Back then, they were named IPBit Trust Company. They right now have two other stablecoins, the Paxos Standard stablecoin and the Huobi HUSD token. Moving over to Cointelegraph, we learned that LVC Corp, a Japanese giant in the messaging industry behind the application Lime, just got their cryptocurrency exchange license to operate an exchange based in Japan. They already had opened an exchange back in 2018 in Singapore called BitBox. This new exchange based in Japan will be able to serve Japanese customers as it's the regulation in Japan. They will start trading with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Ripples. Back in 2018, they also launched their own cryptocurrency, linked to be used on BitBox, their Singapore-based crypto exchange. But it's not yet sure if they will be able to trade this cryptocurrency on BitMax, their new Japanese-based crypto exchange. Lime represents 80 million users in Japan, 187 million monthly active users worldwide, and 50 million users in Japan that are registered to use LimePay, their payment system. Also, back in June, we learned that this same company partnered with Visa to develop a new digital payment system. Still on Cointelegraph, with the help of Well Alert Twitter page, we learned that today there's been a transaction of $1 billion on the Bitcoin's network. This is 94,504 Bitcoins that have been transferred between two unknown addresses. There's rumor that this is related to Bakkt, the future that's just starting trading today, to give them some liquidity. But we don't know the two addresses, so there's no confirmation of anything. To make that transaction possible, the sender offers $700 transaction fee. This is 20 times the market right now for the transaction on the Bitcoin network. That same transaction could have probably passed with $35 worth of fee. Since September 2017, the amount of hash power on the Bitcoin network, so the amount of processing power to calculate each transaction, have increased by 10 times. This allows for much lower fee to process any transactions on the Bitcoin network. Moving back to CoinDesk, we learned that the Rainforest Foundation, founded in 1987, is currently seeking charity up to $100 million donation to promote the stop of the Brazilian deforestation through forest fire. Since the beginning of the year, deforestation is up 278% in Brazil. This is due because the president of Brazil Jair Bolsonaro removed a lot of policy allowing for agriculture company and landowner to deforest their land through forest fire. The Rainforest Foundation accepts cryptocurrency donation in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoins. Back to Cointelegraph, we're learning that one of the top officials of China's central bank is announcing the upcoming of a launch of a digital currency similar to Libra. Mu Changchun, the Deputy Director of People's Bank of China, PBOC, Payment Department, is announcing this upcoming currency. There's rumor that this could be announced and launched for the November 11th of this year. This currency will be supported by WeChat and Alipay, the payment systems behind Alibaba and AliExpress. This new digital currency will be fully backed by the Central Bank of China, the yuan, and will even work without internet offline. This aims to protect China foreign exchange sovereignty. Staying in China, we learned that Bitcoin has hit a record high of inverse correlation with the Chinese Yuan. This could be explained by multiple factors, as stated by the Bloomberg analyst. The war on trades between America and China, and also the easing of policy regarding cryptocurrency, push Chinese investors to hedge their money against the Chinese Yuan and buy more Bitcoins. That's why currently there's a premium on Chinese crypto exchange for the Bitcoins. Also in Hong Kong, a lot of business and merchants are pushing for Bitcoins to be used as a form of protest against the central government of China. Thank you to have watched this 9th episode of OTrading. I'm Mark, your host, and I'm posting video on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you like this episode, please subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Have a great weekend and see you on Monday.